Hi everyone, the month of September definitely brings in a lot of changes for you all, and we're now looking at the next zodiac sign, and that's for you, Pisces. Now, for you, Pisces, from the career and from the business perspective, this is a good month. Now, you may feel that there's a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication called for this month, and you could even be feeling that your patience is being tested, but your hard work is definitely being recognized. There is a lot of professional growth coming your way, and you definitely emerge as a very strong leader and a very strong personality towards the end of the month. Your hard work is being recognized by all your seniors. Now, it is also important that this month you build a good relationship with your female colleagues and your female superiors, and that will take you a long way. So, focus on building your images and focus on building only your progress and your growth, and that is definitely working in your favor this month. Looking at from the perspective of your finances even are pretty good this month. It looks like in the first half of the month there will be some expenditures, maybe on the family front, upgrading the family and the home as well. But besides that, the second half of the month is pretty good. So, from the health perspective, it is important that this month you take care of your health. It does look like there are some concerns around the stomach region with some digestion issues and some stomach related issues. It's even seen that you have some disturbed sleep patterns and you're very restless this month. So do take care of your mental peace, your mental calm as well, and try and strike that balance and get some good amount of sleep this month. Your health is important. From a relationship perspective, it does look like your family needs a lot more support this month. So avoid any kind of small arguments, small confrontations that may happen on the family front. Rather try and bring out the communication a lot more clearly and see how does the family members actually need your support and in which way you can support, and try and bring the family together, try and strike a balance, have open communications, try and bring in the harmony and the peace into the family, and you're pretty good in striking that balance as well. Now, from an overall perspective or a remedy for you this month, it is important that you take a time for your family. Try and strike a balance between your mental health and your physical health. So do some prayer and meditation. For your long walks. Rather do some exercising. And it's very important that from now on, from the month of September, you even watch your diets. It is important that you pull your entire health together from the month of September. Do small donations in places of worships. You can rather donate some sweets to the poor and the needy people, and that would make a big difference to you. Please do remember the predictions and the remedies are very general for all the zodiac signs, and if you want a lot more support, you can reach out to me directly for any kind of solutions, anything that is holding you down or which you feel there are roadblocks and obstacles, and you can find a lot more solutions to open up to life. Thank you so much for being a part of my family, and thank you so much for being a part of Avenues. Let's all stay blessed, let's all stay connected, and let's all stay prosperous. Thank you again.